How I make delicious ogbono soup, guys. Watch this video to the end and see how I prepare this delicious soup with this fish you are seeing here, guys. So we are cutting this fish, guys. So before using this fish, we want to dry it, guys. We are using drying fish today. Oh my god. For my people, this voiceover of today will make you laugh too much. So watch this video to the end. So we are still cutting this fish. As you can see, it's ready to dry, guys. As you can see on this video, we are done cutting it. It's time for us to dry it on air fryer, guys. So now the pot we want to prepare our delicious soup be this. So the meat don't go inside, and this one is shaki. I can add the shaki join. After adding it, I add onions. So after adding the onions, I add ginger. I also added pepper inside. We use breaded pepper on this recipe, guys. Oh my gosh. So I added season cube. After season cube, I added salt and mix it together. I know so many people will come talk say, when I see they use ginger they cook ogbono. My sister, my brother, not be ogbono I use ginger cook. I use and boil the meat. Na meat I use and boil. Now not say na meat I use the ginger boil. Many people when not sabi cook that then go they talk say, you they cook ogbono they add ginger. If you use a boil meat, you know they spoil anything for your cooking, guys. So if you like, not use them. If you like, you use it. So this one a dry fish. I added dry fish inside. As you can see on this video. Who they run on a wife material. See the fish now. The fish done ready. This is good though. It is good to have air fryer at home. If you get air fryer, your cooking go there easy. If you want dry meat, you go dry. And you see the way I take dry this fish now when I want use. So it done ready now. Oh my god, see my cooking now. So I can't add the fish inside. So I remove the bowl for the fish, guys. As you can see on this video. Me, I dey like ogbono when fish scatter inside. So I can comot small water inside after the thing don't cook. So I comot small water, I can go in with the ogbono. Oh my god. And the bread that when I get be this, so I bread that the thing not smooth. And I say okay, make I add oil take blender. So I can use the oil blender. Everything comes smooth, guys. So I can add that inside. As you can see now, who they run now wife material you sabi cook ogbono. So if your ogbono not they draw, not come here, but this my ogbono it draws much, not be like that, you know. In Africa now you they see better ogbono when they draw. So I can add the crayfish inside. That one I crayfish, guys. So after I add it, I turn it together. I say wife material that I need. Come and have a taste of this soup and you will love it. So I added small salt inside. This is a dry pumpkin leaf. I also added dry pumpkin leaf, as you can see on this video. Who they can you do voiceover? This voiceover na one in a million. The way the soup sweet, that's so the voiceover sweet. Yes, they like it. Guys, we could have shared this video. See my soup now. My soup is ready. My mouth just they tell me say bring a make a chop. Oh my gosh, who the soup done ready? Oh, guys, share this video and follow for more. What do you think about my cooking? Now wife material they run now.